No, one Minecraft villager can permanently lower prices forever, if you save its life.
Villagers need food like bread, carrots, or potatoes to breed. Without food, they will never make new villagers. And villagers also share food with each other. Yes, they literally trade snacks.
Ooh. Difficulty changes everything. So, fine.
Conversion rates based on difficulty settings for a villager killed by a zombie.
Oh! And a gold apple!
After curing, villagers give permanent trade discounts, even after dying and being revived again.
Yes. They remember kindness.
Heads up! Raids only start if you have the bad omen effect and then step into a village.
Iron golems spawn when villagers panic and level meat is nearby.
Even if the zombie is trapped, villagers feel fear.
Beds define villager jobs, drive their daily schedule, and even decide where iron golems appear. Remove the beds and the entire settlement stops being a village. In Minecraft, beds aren't just for sleeping, they're the heart of village life. This
Kill other villagers or break job blocks in front of them. So villagers gossip. Yes, really.
Villagers don't forget being cured, being attacked, or being saved.
This block world secretly tracks how you treat others. Not with karma, but with memory.
Every world remembers what you did.